Hi, this is Joyce Farrell, and this video looks at nested loops. When you have two loops, you can remove the body of one and insert another loop. Then you have a loop within a loop, creating nested loops. Let's look at an application where nested loops are useful. Suppose that you're paid twice a month, and suppose that you decide to save $50 from your next paycheck. The next check, your goal is to save an additional $5 or $55. Then with the next checks, you want to save $60, $65, and so on, $5 more each paycheck. How much will you have after a year? The output might look like this. After month 1, paycheck 1, you'd have $50. Then after month 1, paycheck 2, you'd have $55 more for a total of $105. After month 2, paycheck 1, you'd have $60 more for a total of $165. Then you'd have $65 more, $70, $75, and so on. Here's how you might write the application. You'd declare a variable to hold the months 1 through 12. You'd declare another variable to hold the paychecks within each month, 1 or 2. You'd start with $50 saved, and you'd start with $50 saved total. The core tasks of the program are these. You output the word month and the month that you're in, and the word paycheck and the paycheck number that you're on within the month, and you'd also output the total saved so far. Then you'd add $5 to the amount saved for that paycheck. In other words, this will be $55, then $60, then $65, and so on. And then you would add that paycheck amount saved to the grand total saved so far. These core tasks can be placed inside a loop that controls the paychecks within a month. You'd set paycheck to 1, that's the loop control variable. Then you'd compare paycheck to 2. If it's less than or equal to 2, which it is, you'd perform output for paycheck 1, then add 1 to the paycheck number, giving 2. You'd check again, and the paycheck number is still less than or equal to 2, because it is 2, so you'd perform the output and the arithmetic again and make the paycheck number 3. Then paycheck would no longer be less than or equal to 2, and this loop would end, having produced 2 savings output lines. These tasks can go inside an outer loop that controls the months. The loop control variable for this loop is month, and you'd set it to 1. Then you'd compare month to 12, and while it's less than or equal to 12, you'd perform all the tasks that produce 2 paycheck savings lines. Then you'd add 1 to month and perform this loop again, ultimately 12 times. So you have a loop within a loop, 2 paychecks within each of 12 months. The output would show figures for month 1, paycheck 1, month 1, paycheck 2, then month 2, paycheck 1, month 2, paycheck 2, and so on. You've successfully used nested loops to solve this problem. Thanks for watching.